Peace. This is Ayrat, digital marketing specialist, also specialist in some other areas, and enthusiast in even more areas. There are several ways to link Microsoft Clarity with a website. I want to show a way using Google Tag Manager. Before that, I want to say that I already need to have my Google Tag Manager connected with my website, or as in my example, blogger.com aka blogspot.com account. And of course, Microsoft Clarity project created. I have videos about this you can watch in this channel. To link using Google Tag Manager, there are also several ways. They are in Microsoft Clarity manual. You can read and do by them. And also you can watch this video as an example. I will do something a little bit different. These ways may be found in manual, but also in Clarity. For example, in Clarity, choosing the project needed. In this stage, almost there before linking Microsoft Clarity from here, or in settings, in setup from here, or in integrations, Google Tag Manager. Also go to setup and to this page. And this is one of ways to link through Google Tag Manager. That is another way. And there are also description of these ways. I want to show this way, second, but with some differences, as I told before. Going to Google Tag Manager, I need to make tag. But before I want to make variables for not to search project ID all the time. I've made video about variables you can find in this channel too. Going to variables, and I need user-defined variables, and pressing button new. In variables configuration, choosing this one called constant. And here I'm inserting value. This is Microsoft Clarity project ID. So I'm inserting my Microsoft Clarity project ID. To find it, I can go to my project. In this case, in my example, this one. And it can be found in URL. This is here. Also, it can be found in settings, overview. And here is project ID and the ID. Copying, pasting here in the field value. The name must be clear, understandable. And I'm giving this name. In your case, you choose what fits you. Save button. Variable is ready. Now I can use it. As I told, I need to make tag. Going to tags, new. In tag configuration, I'm going to discover more tag types in the community template gallery. And a little bit waiting. going to search clarity, and here I need attention. This one called Microsoft Clarity Official by Microsoft. This one I'm choosing. Hitting add to workspace. It asks permissions or something like that here, and I'm pressing add. And here I need to fill some fields, I guess, Clarity project ID. And here, if I didn't make variable, I would need to go to my Microsoft Clarity and to look for this project ID again, to copy paste it again. And all the time when I needed this Microsoft Clarity project ID in Google Tag Manager, I will need to go to Microsoft Clarity and look for it, or write it somewhere aside and anyway go to that place and look for it. But here as I made variable, now I can just find and put variable here. First I will show example without variable. I would go again to Microsoft Clarity, again find this project ID, again copy, again insert here. But for now it's easier, just in Google Tag Manager you can press plus button and find my variable here, or can write it, or I'm not going because for now it's easier to find. If there are a lot of variables, can use search, for example, and it found. But as here is not that much, can just find and choose my variable that I need. This one in my example. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. It is brackets. In triggering, I need also trigger. About why we need triggers and tags, I also made video. You can find in this channel. Triggering. Choosing this initialization all pages. In manual of Microsoft Clarity, you can find another version, but as I told, I'm doing a little bit different. Giving a name to the tag. I repeat, it has to be understandable, clear. In my case, I would give this one. Pressing save button, and the tag is created. But it to work, I need to submit and publish changes. And before that, better to make preview. But I'm not going to submit now. I'm not going to submit in this video. I'm going to submit later. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Main video will continue after this insert. English is not my native. If you see something to correct me, welcome, but do it in a respectful and polite manner and with enough explanations and proof. For now, I just want to show preview to see if Microsoft Clarity tag works. Preview. There is URL of my website. If you don't have URL here, you will need to insert. Here it's already inserted. I'm pressing connect. I have tag assistant pop up, and here is tick in, and here is tick in green circles. So I think this checking works. Anything is here. Pressing continue, and I go to tags and look what tags fired. The tag that I need to check, MS Clarity, is fired, is working. That's what I need. GA4 also working, but I've already checked it. And now, in Microsoft Clarity itself, it shows that one user online, that something happens in my site just now, that something is happening in my website at the moment. This is my visit, this visit, and it shows here. It's additional confirmation that data goes to Google Tag Manager, but also it goes to Microsoft Clarity. When preview made, I press finish in Tag Assistant pop-up, and it's closing. This window also can be closed. Leave, and it's almost done. I just need to submit, but as I told, I'm going to do it in another video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't make wars, make mutual wealth. Peace.